Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Chef Secrets. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some delicious and budget-friendly recipes that won't break the bank. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just looking to save some cash, these meals are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up, we have a super easy one-pot pasta. It's quick, simple, and you only need a few ingredients. In a large pot, combine the pasta, diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, onion, and garlic. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes until the pasta is cooked. Stir in any leftover veggies you have, and season with salt and pepper. And there you have it, a hearty meal for under $5. Next, let's whip up a colorful veggie stir-fry. This is a great way to use up any veggies you have in your fridge. Heat the oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your mixed veggies and stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add the soy sauce and garlic powder and cook for another minute. Serve it over rice or noodles, and you've got a delicious meal for around $4. Finally, let's make a hearty budget-friendly chili. This dish is perfect for meal prep and can feed a crowd without costing a fortune. In a large pot, sauté the chopped onion and garlic until they're soft. Then, add the kidney beans, black beans, diced tomatoes, and any optional ingredients you want to include. Stir in the chili powder, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes to let all those flavors meld together. This chili is not only filling but also costs around $6 for a big batch. And there you have it. 3 delicious and budget-friendly recipes that are easy to make and perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Let me know in the comments which recipe you're excited to try, or share your own budget-friendly favorites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.